The Salman Rushdie row refusing to die down. The four authors, in fact, who read excerpts from his banned book, The Satanic Verses, have already left the Jaipur Literature Festival.
That's amidst speculations that they may be arrested if they had stayed on. Sources added the festival organizers had unofficially asked the four to leave the venue. The four authors, Hari Kundru, Amitav Kumar, Jeet Thail and Ruchir Joshi, struck a defiant note by reading from the banned book on Friday after Rushdie called off his visit citing death threats. The festival organizers insisted that the four acted of their own will and also violating the law. Meanwhile, Rushdie drummed up support with Oprah Winfrey and Deepak Chopra, both rooting for him. Alright, for more, let's get a word from our correspondent Amrita Tripathi. She's at the Jaipur Literature Festival. Joining us live from Jaipur this morning. Amrita, any word on these four authors? Were they officially asked to leave? Did the police at any time come at the festival?
Simi, officially what the organizers are saying, I beg your pardon, is that this is all because of safety concerns. We do know that police did show up. There was massive police presence because of the Rushdie planned visit at one point. Police did show up after it went on air that they had read from these banned passages. So we know that Hari Kundru is out of the country at this point. Amitav Kumar making his way out as well. Jeet and Ruchir also unofficially pretty much asked to go. The point is that their safety couldn't be guaranteed. What we're learning also is at this point it seems an FIR is being filed. It needs to be verified whether a case is going to be slapped against them because, of course, the book is banned. At this point, we can tell you they're getting very high-powered legal advice through the night jelly on Friday, which is when these decisions were taken after this controversy broke out. The organizers, for their part, of course, do have other interests in mind as well that they have to keep in mind. They were at one point, it seems, it was coming to the state where they say that the festival might have been shut down if this kind of thing would have carried on. We know William Dalrymple also released a statement to us saying that many more statements of solidarity are being planned, but he's appealing to all writers to stay within the law and framework of the country because they can't guarantee that action won't be taken, legal action won't be taken against people. And as far as initiative by other writers goes, Simi and Tracy, a petition is being circulated at this point. They're trying to get as many names on it to try and review or revoke the ban on the Satanic Verses. It's something we asked Shashi Tharoor about, in fact. You'll be interested to know. That's something we sent office as well. Shashi Tharoor saying that the way things work in this country, bans, like the ban on homosexuality, they don't actually expect people to be prosecuted under it. He's saying a lot of people do read the book. It's just illegal to import it and sell it. So is that a grey area for the country? That's something I think that remains to be seen.